Hey everyone, welcome to our latest YouTube video, where I explore the 10 best Visual Studio Code extensions for 2024. From code formatting to advanced debugging, we've got a lineup that covers everything you need to make your development process smoother and more productive. So, let's start and dive into each extension, showing you how they work and why they are a must-have in your Visual Studio Code for coding.
Number 1. Auto Rename Tag. The Auto Rename Tag extension for Visual Studio Code is a useful tool for developers working with HTML, XML, or any language that utilizes tags. This extension automatically renames paired tags whenever one of them is edited, enhancing productivity and reducing the likelihood of errors. Number 2. The Color Highlight extension for Visual Studio Code is an extremely handy tool for developers and designers who work with CSS, HTML, and other web technologies that involve frequent use of colors. This extension highlights color codes like hex, RGB, or HSL in the code with their respective color, improving the development workflow and visual management of style sheets.
Number 3. The Better Comments extension for Visual Studio Code enhances the functionality and visibility of comments in your code. This tool is designed to help developers create more readable, efficient, and organized comments by categorizing them into various types, and each marked with different colors and formats.
Number 4. The Fluent Icons extension for Visual Studio Code integrates Microsoft's Fluent design system icons into the development environment. This extension is particularly useful for enhancing the visual appearance and user experience of your projects within the Visual Studio Code. Number 5. The vscode-icons extension for Visual Studio Code is popular among developers for enhancing the visual aspect of the IDE by providing a rich set of icons for a vast array of file types and folders. This extension makes it easier to navigate projects and recognize file types at a glance. Number 6. The CodeSnap extension for Visual Studio Code is a useful tool for developers who want to capture and share images of their code directly from the editor. This extension simplifies the process of creating high-quality, customizable screenshots of your code snippets. CodeSnap makes it easy to share code snippets in a visually appealing way on social media, blogs, documentation, or presentations. Number 7. The Turbo Console Log extension for Visual Studio Code streamlines the process of debugging JavaScript code by automating the insertion of console.log statements. This extension is particularly useful for developers who rely heavily on console logging to track down bugs or understand application flow. Number 8. The Prettier-code formatter extension for Visual Studio Code is a highly popular tool among developers for automatically formatting code to ensure consistency and readability. It supports many languages and integrates with most code editors. The important uses of the Prettier extension is the consistent code formatting. Prettier automates the formatting of code according to a set of predefined rules. By automating code formatting, Prettier saves developers time and effort. The bracket pair colorization is designed to enhance code readability and navigability by visually differentiating, matching brackets with distinct colors. This feature is especially useful in programming languages where brackets like are heavily used. By coloring matching pairs of brackets with the same color, it becomes much easier to follow the structure of your code.